know what I just said? I don't even care because that bitch is dead. Oh, what? Do it on the ground. We're about to go fucking down. I don't even care. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Because you said to me, you're a fucking disgrace.
Paul goes to the club, man, best he is the swagger. Man, I gotta start over. Paul goes to the club, best believe he got the swagger. You don't even know, it'll stab you like a dagger. I got the P hat on, yeah, I mean Pittsburgh. I don't even know where that's at, so get some. I be rolling with the B's, nigga, check over here, sit, rolling with the G's. I think you kinda sick, be pulling out the G's, fucking buy him some NyQuil and getting him some sleep. Pulling on the bed, got him tatted on the chest. I don't need a motherfucking bed like the rest. Got the text on my arm, what you know about that? DJ Bobblehead got me on this track.
Yeah, DJ Bobblehead throwing it down. He knows how to go, bitch gives me a frown. Nope, I mean a smiley face because he throws in the treble, throws in the bass. You can hear the kick, you can hear the snare. When he comes, you're gonna hear that flare. Yeah.
Flare like you just don't care. I don't know what to say. I like to use nair on my chest. Cause that shit gets hairy. It gets real hairy and it gets so scary. It's like a bat cave. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm about to go to the bathroom and take a shit cause I'm hairy.
Yeah.
Hairy. Just kidding. To all you ladies out there watching this, I'm not. I'm not.
Another beat,